Hi everyone, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer, and today I'm here with the perfect product for people who really hate scratches on their phone screen, a genuine sapphire screen protector. Only diamond is harder, and as long as you keep diamonds away from this screen protector, it's going to be pretty much unscratchable. Made of 99% pure lab-grown sapphire, this is a really unique product with truly superior scratch resistance. It's not cheap, but if you hate scratches and you got the cash, you might want to check it out. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Shellrus Sapphire screen protector on the iPhone 13 Pro and check out the results. Let's get started. Looking at the contents of the box, we have our super fancy sapphire screen protector as well as an install frame. And then we have a rather full-featured set of installation tools. We have a microfiber cloth. We have a set of two different types of dust removal stickers, one to clean your screen with, and the other to help you remove dust or dirt that might have gotten trapped in between the screen protector and your screen. We have two cleaning wipes to make sure you get things perfectly clean. And then we have this interesting little blue chip thingy here. The purpose of this is to allow you to be able to safely lift up the screen protector to help you get dust or dirt from underneath it. So this is a rather unique addition to the installation kit. First time I've seen one of these. So before you start your screen protector installation, make sure that you're working in as clean, well-lit, and dust-free environment as possible. Remember that dust is the enemy of a successful screen protector installation. So you've got two lens cleaning wipes. You can use these to clean your phone with. You also might want to use them to wipe down things like the install frame. You want to make sure that nothing has dust on it that comes close to this installation process. That way you can be assured of a more successful installation. So you want to use the wipes to thoroughly clean your phone screen. If you want, you can dry off your phone screen with the included microfiber cloth, but it's really not necessary. It's going to dry almost instantly anyway. So next, take your large dust removal sticker and go over your phone screen thoroughly to remove any remaining dust. Next, take a look at your installer. Make sure that there is not any dust on it. You can use your wet wipe to clean it off if there is any. And note that we have a top and a bottom to this. Be sure to put the top on the top and the bottom on the bottom. Gently place it over your phone screen. And then you want to take a look at the screen protector itself. Make sure that there's not any dust anywhere on here. If there is, remove it before it gets anywhere close to your beautiful clean phone screen. Then what you're going to be doing here is removing this hard plastic backing from the screen protector. There's going to be two parts to this. The first part is going to be removing the bottom corner and then placing one of these dust removal stickers on one of the bottom corners. Basically, you're going to be putting it so that it's touching the adhesive side of the screen protector. That's going to be very helpful if you need to peel up the screen protector for any reason. And then remove the rest of the screen protector from the hard plastic backing. Be very careful not to touch the adhesive side of the screen protector in this process. Take your time. Don't bend the screen protector. Sapphire is brittle. Prior to putting your screen protector back down, you might want to go over your screen one more time with a dust removal sticker just to make sure that no dust has fallen down there. Lay the screen protector very carefully down within the confines of the installer. Try to make sure that everything is as well aligned as possible, and then gently press down. So I'm going to lift this up very slightly here. So I had to lift up the screen protector there after my first attempt because I didn't have it quite correctly aligned. This is edge to edge, so you do have to get it on there perfectly, otherwise it won't fit inside the installer. So once I did it the second time, I was able to get it on straight. So once you have it basically around, I think any more than say 70% adhered, you can take off your install frame and then press it the rest of the way on. You're going to want to look and see whether you have any dust or dirt trapped underneath there, any air bubbles, And assuming that you don't, you can then remove the dust removal sticker that you got stuck underneath there. But of course, if you do need to actually peel this back up and remove something, you're going to be very, very happy that you've got that dust removal sticker there because it makes it super easy to pull up. Okay, so everything's looking good here. So I am going to remove this sticker because we don't need it here anymore. So I'm going to need to lift it up again slightly. Peel it off carefully. Take it out and then let the screen protector go back down. So I still have bubbles here at the bottom and I've not been able to rub them out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use this cool little lifting tool and I'm going to lift up the corner of the screen protector and hopefully that's going to let these bubbles out. Let's try it. This is my first time using this tool. Okay. This definitely helped, but they are still there. And I got them out. Okay, well, I finally got this installed. This was not quite as easy as I had hoped. It was just a little bit more challenging. It did take a little bit longer than I expected to get those resistant bubbles at the bottom out, but now they're gone and everything looks absolutely great. So as you can see, we've got an edge-to-edge fit here. Everything looks beautiful. Excellent alignment. This really looks like you don't have a screen protector on there at all. Almost. I mean, you can see you got that teeny tiny cutout at the notch, but what can you do? I think that overall everything looks absolutely beautiful here. So we've got nice rounded edges on here, super thin screen protector. I believe this is 0.23 millimeters in thickness. Just a lovely screen protector on the phone. Love the fact that we've got genuine sapphire on here. Just beautiful. So as far as look and feel is concerned, everything is great. We've got absolutely fantastic optical clarity here. The material feels very slightly cooler than glass underneath the fingertips, and it's slippery smooth. Oleophobic coating seems to be working great. No issues whatsoever in terms of responsiveness. Haptic touch works great. Just a really nice screen protector on the phone. So this is going to be great against scratching. However, keep in mind that sapphire is a brittle material, so super, super tough against scratches. However, as far as impact is concerned, this is not going to be any better than a regular tempered glass screen protector. So if you want an excellent impact protective screen protector, you might want to get a specialized polymer one. But if scratches are your main concern, then this is a great choice. Of course, given the fact that this is an edge-to-edge screen protector, one of the concerns that people are going to have is whether it's going to fit with cases. So let's try it with a few. I'm going to start here with the CASETiFY Ultra Impact. So far, everything looks great. So fit-wise, you can see it's going almost all the way to the edge, but not quite. It's not quite hitting. So it's fitting okay. Really nice fit here, actually. And again, great case. CASETiFY Ultra Impact, MagSafe, 9.8 feet of drop protection. Love this case. And it's got a cat on it with stars, so that's cool. Moving on to the RhinoShield SolidSuit case. Let's see how this works. So as you can see, we got success with the RhinoShield SolidSuit. Got just barely enough space for your case. No lifting. Everything looks great. Mous Limitless 4.0 here in the beautiful walnut option. We've got an excellent fit here with the Limitless 4.0. Just enough space on the sides. And everything looks great. Checking it out here with the Gear 4 Crystal Palace Snap. Another really nice case here. MagSafe, drop protective, crystal clear. And as you can see, great fit here with the Crystal Palace Snap. Just enough space for a successful fit. And finally, the Speck Presidio 2 grip. Excellent case, MagSafe, love this case. And as you can see, zero issues. So this Shellrus Sapphire installation ended up being a bit trickier than the 3 previous times I've installed the screen protector, not really sure why. However, the most important thing, particularly considering the price of this product, is that the tools they included with the screen protector allowed for a successful installation even when obstacles were encountered. And the result is really quite outstanding. You've got an excellent edge-to-edge screen protector with truly superior scratch resistance. It's cool to think you've got a genuine gemstone protecting your phone. However, keep in mind that if impact protection is your primary concern, then you should probably consider a special impact protective polymer screen protector, such as the RhinoShield 3D Impact. The Shellrus Sapphire is absolutely fantastic against scratching, but it's not going to be any more resistant against impact than an ordinary tempered glass screen protector. Again, we've been looking at the Shellrus Sapphire screen protector for iPhone 13 Pro. This product is available directly from Shellrus.com and it has an MSRP of $78, but you can save 10% by using the affiliate coupon you'll find in the description below. Many thanks to the kind folks at Shellrus for sending me out this sample to review. If you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comments section below, and do consider hitting that subscribe button because I've got a lot more tech accessory reviews coming up. Again, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day.